Hi, hello, welcome back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel. This is the Poco X3 device. As you can see, recently got the update. It's not for pilot testers, it's for all the public release. This one is, let me show you. This is the MIUI 12.0.2 stable version based on Android 11 version. This could be like a preparation update for MIUI 12.5 like that. This was released 4 to 5 days back ago, a week ago or like that, for pilot testers only, but this is a stable update for all the public users. And I felt the first thing after the update is like the fastness of this update. And when I kept for charging the update, you can see when I kept for charging, it showed like this to reboot now. Then I got this update and it's fluid. Actually the performance has been improved. What I noticed is, and I did not had any problems in the previous build also, and in the same this one also I never had any problems as of now on this Poco X3 device. And this is the MIUI 12.0.20 stable update. And here what's new, it shows like updated Android security patch to July 2021, increased system security, stable MIUI based on Android 11. And they also show here the control center. The new thing is swipe down from the upper left corner to open notification shade, and from the upper right corner to open control center, that is given. And when notification shade is open, swipe down from the upper right corner to open control center. Optimization, MIUI 11 custom toggle order is preserved after updating to MIUI 12. Optimization, press and hold redirection options. Status bar and notification shade, this you can read it out, and I will check out this one. New is what, when notification shade is open, swipe down from the upper right corner to open control center, but I don't see anything like that. Okay, that is working fine. I will show you once again. This is the new thing. First open the left corner, swipe down here, and from here you can right swipe from upper thing. You can even open the control center. This is the new thing added in this MIUI 12.0.2.0 RJGI NXM update. Really good. That feature was missing from long time on this Poco X3 device. That is finally added to this Poco X3 device. And press and hold redirection option, optimization. Status bar, let me show you. New screen line up with an animation now. Status bar color gradient animations, optimization. GPU icon in the status bar, the UI for renaming fingerprints, GPS toggles renamed as location. Status bar, they showing like screen lights up when and with an animation now. Let me see, I don't see anything like that as of now. If you do know that, do comment down below. And this update rolling out in batches, but I received it just today night, and you will be seeing this video the next day. And coming to this version, it's 12.0.2. I already mentioned the what's new. There is lots of features has been added in this new update. And coming to like fingerprint scanner speed, let me show you. Tap unlock, just it's blazing fast. And even the face unlock, let me show you with another finger. As you can see, the face unlock is also really fast. And UI, let me show you, it's fast, nothing like any problem or anything. It's blazing fast. And coming to like Antutu benchmark scores, after the latest update, as you can see, it's really good. The scores are highest ever for this Poco X3 device. What I got, the 3,50,000. It's really good score. Even the temperature raise is just 2.8 degrees Celsius. And coming to Geekbench 5 scores, let me show you. After this update only, I just checked out tonight, and the single score is 563 and the multi score is 1663 with this kernel. It's really good for this Poco X3 device. The Antutu benchmark score was the highest, and this how the performance was improved in this new update. It's really good. I hope very soon we'll be getting the MIUI 12.5 update on this Poco X3 device. Do comment down below if you are a Mi pilot tester. If you already received that update, do comment down below. This was also a pilot testing update only, but now it's rolling out for public users also, and this how the changes what I noticed. And let me go into the notification and control centers again. Control center style, here it's given, and even coming to speed test, let me show you once again. Here with Wi-Fi I have here like 100 Mbps plan, it's pulling up to 90 like that. As you can see, it's pulling up to 90, no problem in signal reception also, everything is working fine. Even I took a call for long 1 to 2 hours, the audio quality is good, nothing degraded or anything like that compared to previous build. I will be showing with mobile internet connection also now. Let me decrease the brightness. As you can see here, you get only 4G. Here where I live, I don't get carrier aggregation. Sometimes it gets, but most of the time I don't get it. But speeds are also okay type. That's how the performance on this update. And if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe down below and also allow the notification and press the bell icon. That's it, pretty much here, nothing new here. The UI is the same, coming to you on the camera application. Here you don't get any new or anything like that. It's same in log mode also, all the old styles only, nothing new added. But it's like a preparation update for MIUI 12.5, and this how the update is on this ROM. And it's also a July security patch, latest one. Since we are in the end of July, it's okay, and still it's a Android 11 based only. The vibration feedback is really good. I felt like improved, but do comment down below what are the problems you are facing after this update and previous update. And one more thing guys, most of the people are telling about the brightness. Now the brightness is higher compared to previous build. I thought it was okay in the previous build, but I noticed it after this update, the brightness is little bit higher compared to previous build. Many are asking about that also, and even charging with this cable is also little bit faster, because now the summer is summer is finished, hence we are getting little bit of good battery charging speeds, and even the battery life is also good. Let me show you here. Battery and performance. As you can see, after this update I used a smartphone like BGMI also. Those things are improved. I even played the BGMI also with GFX tools, smooth and extreme. As you can see here, I enable the smooth and extreme 60 fps. By the way, it's good, and I also use this Gcam port. It also working fine, no problem in this update. The best thing I noticed is that changes what they mentioned, and the UI enhancement is also really good after the update. And big thing is the brightness. Those people were complaining about that is now fixed, at least for my device. But do comment down below what are the problems you are facing and how is the performance after this update. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video with hopefully we'll see a video with MIUI 12.5 update on this Poco X3 device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.